Have you ever walked into your garden and noticed that the newest leaves on your tomato plants are small, twisted, and curling upward? If so, your tomatoes may be suffering from tomato leaf curl virus, one of the most destructive diseases that affects tomato plants. If this virus is not managed early, it can seriously reduce your harvest. In this video, I'll explain how the disease spreads, why it happens, and most importantly, what you can do to protect your tomato plants. Tomato leaf curl virus is different from fungal or bacterial diseases. It is caused by a virus that enters the plant and spreads through its entire system. Once infected, the plant's normal growth is disrupted. New leaves become curled, twisted, and deformed. The plant remains smaller than normal, fewer flowers are produced, and fruit production drops significantly, especially if the infection occurs early in the season. The good news is that this virus does not spread through rain, watering, or the soil. The bad news is that it is carried by one tiny insect, the whitefly. These small white insects feed on plant sap. When they feed on an infected tomato plant or certain infected weeds, they pick up the virus. Later, when they move to a healthy tomato plant, they inject the virus while feeding. This is why the disease can spread so quickly through an entire tomato patch. Even a few whiteflies can infect many plants within a short time, making whitefly control the most important step in preventing this disease. Because there is no cure once a plant becomes infected, prevention is your best defense. One of the easiest and most effective methods is to spray neem oil regularly. Neem oil helps repel whiteflies and reduces their numbers, making it much harder for them to spread the virus from one plant to another. To prepare the spray, mix 5 milliliters of pure neem oil with 1 liter of water. Then add 2 or 3 drops of mild liquid soap to help the oil mix evenly with the water. Spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves every 5 to 7 days, especially during warm weather when whiteflies are most active. For the best results, apply the spray early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid leaf burn. Now here's the most important thing every tomato grower should know. Once a plant is infected with tomato leaf curl virus, there is no medicine that can remove the virus. Fungicides, insecticides, fertilizers, and homemade remedies cannot cure an infected plant. If only 1 or 2 plants show severe symptoms, the safest option is to remove the entire plant, including its roots, and destroy it or dispose of it far away from your garden. This helps prevent whiteflies from feeding on the infected plant and spreading the virus to healthy tomatoes nearby. However, if most of your tomato plants are already infected, removing every plant may not be practical. In many cases, infected plants continue producing tomatoes, although the harvest will usually be smaller than normal. You can still harvest those fruits while focusing your efforts on controlling whiteflies to limit further spread of the disease. The secret to protecting your tomato crop is simple. Inspect your plants regularly, control whiteflies before they become a problem, and begin preventive neem oil sprays early in the season. These simple steps can make a huge difference and help keep your tomato plants healthy, productive, and loaded with delicious tomatoes throughout the growing season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical gardening tips that help you grow healthier plants and enjoy bigger harvests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.